Hey, it's Simon. Today I'll teach you how to solve this mirror cube. It can be a little tricky, but watch this video and you can solve this in no time. Before we start, make sure to smash that like button for your support and the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. Now, before we start, you should be able to know how to solve this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. It is essential that you know this because it's actually the exact method to use on the mirror cube, but the mirror cube comes in different shapes and it really kind of messes with your brain a little bit, but I'll go through it with you guys and teach you my way or how I solve this mirror cube. If you don't know how to solve this 3x3, go check out my tutorial up there and in the link in the description below before you attempt this mirror cube, because it is exactly the same method. If you see here, you can see different levels, 3 different levels. A small level, medium, large. I usually start with the small piece. So this would be my first side to start. Or you could start with the big side, but I prefer the small side. So I'm going to start with this centerpiece right here with the sticker. If you don't have the sticker right here, just think to yourself, I want to solve the center that is the shortest. So this is it. Now let's go ahead and mix this mirror cube up. Okay, the mirror cube is mixed up. Now we're going to start with the shortest side, which is this. So I'm going to do the beginner's method and maybe some F2L in this case, first 2 layers. But OLL and PLL, it can be pretty hard to, see where the pieces are. But beginner's method is definitely the way to go when I solved it. So first thing I want to find is a short piece. This one, yeah. See how this is the exact same size, and this is the exact same size. So this edge piece is actually in the correct spot. So we got 1 done, we got 3 more to go. So I can see, if I move it, if I focus on this one, bring it up like that, it's the same layer on this one, but it's not on this one. So this might go there. So I'm gonna bring this down, gonna move this up like that, and then bring it over. So it's right here. And then see, yep, it matches up. 2 done and 2 more to go. Another short piece is this one. This could go right here. So we could see if we do that. Done. So 3 edges, 1 more to go. Find a short piece, short. And this, no, that doesn't look short. This one. So we could try it out by, let's move in here. Yep, it matches. And then bringing this to the top layer like that, and then bringing this edge back. Now here is the first step done, the cross. Now we move on to the corner. So we can find, let's say this one, and kind of estimate. This is like this piece. So this could potentially go here or here. So let's move it to the bottom of one of the side. Okay. And then we could test it out by inserting this. No, it doesn't match up. See, this is not in the correct spot because it doesn't align. So it could be right here. We're going to try this spot. And then we can do that. Yes. See how this is lined up and this is lined up? That's good. Find the next one. This piece could go here or here, I'm assuming. So let's try this piece, this place. So this might be in the wrong way, so we could actually do a 2D and then, no, so it doesn't go there. That might go be in the spot. So we're gonna try putting this piece on here. This is the top layer. Nope, doesn't fit. Nope. Okay, do one more sequence. Yes. So this is done. We have 2 and then 2 more to go. So this, I suspect, might be in the correct position. We just gotta flip it. Yes. That's done. And then 1 more right here. This is definitely not going here because of this width. Doesn't match with that. We could see this one. So move that to over here. Nope, doesn't match up. Yes. Okay, so the first layer first side and first layer is done. After that, for the beginner's method, we flip this cube like this and start doing the second layer. So first we want to match up, let's pick this piece. We want to match, see if it matches anywhere. It matches this, so that means this piece has to go either here or here. So I suspect it goes here because of the width that is showing, not here. So this is matched up, and make sure this top piece doesn't match with the top center piece. So here, this goes there, and do the algorithm to put this here. So move this out of the way, and then like that. And there we go, this is done. And then let's say this piece, we can move it here. Yes, it matches up. Does not seem to fit here, so we're gonna move it to the right. Okay, so we got 2 edge piece for the second layer done. We're gonna look for one more. Let's say this one, it belongs to the top, so we don't want to mess with this one, we don't want to mess with this one, and we don't want to mess with this one. So let's do this. Turn it here, see how it matches. It could be either way. It doesn't hurt to try, so I'm gonna try this side. And you may mess up, but you can always take the piece out, and you can know that, oh, it matches here. You know you have done it right. Good. And then we have one more. This one goes in this place, so move to the right. Okay, so first side done, and first 2 layer is done. Now we go to the top, we solve the cross. So we can see here that since these 2 are matches, this is a backward L. You can have a dot, backward L, and then you do the algorithm for the cross top. And then we have this line, horizontal line. We do it one more time, and then the top cross should appear. So after that, we move the edge pieces so at least 2 can match. So, nope. Okay, this one matches, and this one matches. So they're across from each other, and we do the algorithm. Now they're next to each other. One goes to the back, one goes to the front. No, to the right. And then that is done. So top cross, and all the edges are lined up. Now for the last 2 steps, we want to find a corner in the right place for the top layer. So kind of I assume this one is in the right place. Maybe not, you can always retry it. So let's do the algorithm to move the corners in the right position. Okay. It looks like this is solved, and it looks like everything is in the correct position. So now we do the last algorithm to finish this Rubik's Cube. Or mirror cube, as I should say. So that one's done. And then move to this one. Could be hard to turn sometimes. Alright, that one's done. Move it like that, and then one more slot left. Done, and then turn the top layer, and that is it. Congratulations, you have solved the mirror cube. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more puzzle content like this and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.